Hi, I'm Christina from Travels with Ted. I live in this 23-foot travel trailer, and today I'm sharing some ideas for decorating the inside of your travel trailer RV. First and most impactful is wallpaper. We wallpapered the bottom of our Murphy bed to add color and personality to our living space. We used Spoonflower peel and stick wallpaper, which was very easy to install. If you want to add a little color, you don't have to wallpaper an entire wall. We also created small accent walls behind our TV and under our medicine cabinet with the same wallpaper. A backsplash is another easy DIY interior design project. We used peel and stick tiles by Stick Goo to create this kitchen backsplash. They were pretty easy to install, but a bit difficult to cut, so we added a beadboard trim to cover up imperfections. A super easy way to make your RV feel cozier is to bring more textiles into your camper. We added character and warmth with throw pillows, placemats, cloth napkins, and cute hand towels. If you want to add seasonal decorations to your RV, buying covers for your throw pillows and swapping out hand towels is an easy way to add seasonal decor. On the table, we also put out some faux flowers. We use faux flowers because flowers that need water are not great for travel. We have fake ones in a plastic vase, no glass people. On travel days, the placemats get put away and the flowers are secured with museum putty. We also placed a ruggable rug on the floor to make it feel more cozy. We love these rugs because they are lightweight and machine washable, perfect for travel trailer life. Finally, we make our RV feel like home with wall art. Art is super personal, so your favorite painting or a family photo is automatically going to make your RV feel more like home. In our RV, we have a goat painting that we bought during our travels and a poster from our favorite band. We put wall art in super lightweight plastic frames and then Velcro it to the wall. Since they are so light, they can actually stay up for travel. If you use a heavier frame, art will need to come down on travel days. If you like these decorating ideas, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching and happy camping.